Good afternoon, everyone. So today's case is regarding the client Payal. So when she came to me, हम थोड़ा बैक स्टोरी देखते हैं. So first thing she told me is कि 3 months में I have my wedding plan and I have to lose around 10 to 12 kgs and that's my goal. So that was her first impression for me. And yeah, with that her job IT professional, work from home था but more of that kind of setup. So anytime working hours, not so fixed working hours. That was one thing. Sleep was disturbed. There was lot of anxiety and all of that things. But yeah, we were able to manage to lose 10 kgs of fat with all of that things. And yeah, let's move further to the case study. So her profile, as I told you, sedentary lifestyle, IT company, 8 to 12 hours की shift में range होता था. Lifestyle was very poor. There was no physical activity as such. And yeah, the major goal was wedding के लिए fat loss करना. Case conductors, I being the nutritionist, and Siddharth, who was her performance coach. And yeah, he worked very well by understanding her mood swings and everything, and meeting the expectation. That was also the one thing which he did very good. BCA composition analysis. As you can see, muscle mass was retained, body fat percentage. Female के case में body fat percentage wise we don't get to see much of difference, but as you can see weight wise there is lot of difference and inch loss भी काफी हुआ था in this case. This is like fitness assessment ka. So daily she used to like, we have decided कि just workout is not going to help us in achieving your goal faster. So we'll have to include various activities as well along with that. So every day in evening she used to go for walk as well. So as you can see, she used to share the pictures with me as well कि step count कितना था, distance कितना था and all of that things. So daily हम इस चीज का भी track रखते थे. Otherwise sometimes badminton and something like that. So because of all this, there was lot of improvement in her blood pressure, cardiorespiratory fitness, muscular endurance. So yeah, flexibility was also improved a lot. And few challenges. So workout wise also there were other challenges, but for me the major challenge was she came to me and she told me that I want 7 different meals for 7 different days. I can stick to one meal. So that was a major challenge for me to plan 7 different kinds of breakfast, to plan 7 different kind of lunch, 7 different kind of snacks option and dinner option. And within the keeping all of that within the same caloric range which I want to provide her. So that was a main challenge for her. And yeah, so we were pretty much able to manage that as well moving further. So you can see the meal. These are some of the pictures. So 3 meals a day, sometimes yeah. And one thing, she was vegetarian. So in vegetarian, planning all the meals with the limited option is also one of the challenges set. But we were making sure that we are adding good amount of paneer, yogurt in her meals and all of that thing. Has a strong appetite. So as I told you, she wanted a lot of variety. That means more of chatpata khana, that kind of her appetite preferences was. Physical activity wise, yeah, we were doing workout as well along with some other physical activity throughout the day. So that was sedentary lifestyle का साइकिल में ब्रेक करना था. कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी हमें इंक्लूड करना था. स्ट्रेस हमने मैनेज किया था. स्लीप ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव. जो पहले 6 hours 7 hours होती थी वो 8 hours हुई. And that was the improvement. Medication as such there was nothing. Intoxication भी नहीं था. And blood reports were like triglyceride levels were थोड़े deranged that we were able to manage. Initial changes in nutrition plan. So initially when I got her first BC, basically I calculated the nutritive value, how much the calories will be given, the protein requirement, carbohydrates, so moderate carbs and a moderate fat and high protein diet which was designed for her, and this were the supplementation which was suggested throughout her journey. As you can see, various supplements. So performance whey protein, which helps in fast digesting protein to support muscle growth and recovery. Omega-3 fatty acids. So as you have seen in the picture, there was lot of inflammation which was very visible. So my first was to reduce the inflammation. There was lot of water weight जो हमने lose किया था. So omega-3 was added for that. Curcumin again to reduce the inflammation, to give more of antioxidant. And as the wedding was approaching, she also wanted to like look good, more of skin health and all of that improvement. So for that, basic vitamin E, vitamin C were added so that skin health all थोड़ी improve हो जाए in this journey. And lastly, we also added L-carnitine क्योंकि थोड़े टाइम के बाद we were stuck. So L-carnitine just gave us boost in metabolizing fat, improving the energy levels. With her I was able to take her to the metabolic fix level, जहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिज़ाइन की in terms of physical activity, supplementation जो हमने add की, and as you can see here, her doing workout as well. So yeah, she was pretty much able to do very good in terms of workout as well. Workout plan wise we don't have much of information because उनके gaps भी हुए थे बीच में, तो वो workout charts and everything वो थोड़ा lost है. But as you can see, I have the nutrition plan and her first initial BCA reports as well. So in diet you can see I have made it changes कि 7 days के लिए, बट ऑप्शंस बहुत सारे प्रोवाइड किए मैंने कि 4 days आप ये लीजिए, 2 दिन ये आपको ऑप्शन रहेगा, थर्ड दिन अलग ऑप्शन रहेगा, एंड लॉट ऑफ लाइक कॉन्टिनेंटल ऑप्शन एज वेल मैंने इंक्लूड किए थे. और धीरे धीरे फिर हमने डाइट का भी प्रोग्रेशन उसी हिसाब से किया था कि कभी लो कार्ब कभी नो कार्ब्स, उस तरह से कार्ब साइकिलिंग थोड़ा सा हाई प्रोटीन के ऊपर फोकस करना, एंड दिस वाज द मेजर चेंजेस व्हिच वी डिड इन न्यूट्रिशन. And yeah, that's it. It was like simple case study, and yeah, she was very happy with the result. She lost 10 kgs and she was able to follow everything without any challenges as such. Thank you.